Hello guys, welcome to iWhere Official. Today, we will introduce you to a powerful iPhone location changer. Have you ever pondered over the need for a location changer on your iPhone? Well, imagine wanting to access a region-restricted app or service, or perhaps wanting to share a location on social media that isn't your actual whereabouts for safety or privacy reasons. There is software that can quickly change your GPS location. Without jailbreaking, you can change your location on dating apps, Arkansas games, social media, and location-sharing apps in seconds. Come with me and see how it changes your location. Enter iWhere iPhone Location Changer. But how to use iWhere? Firstly, install the iWhere iPhone Location Changer on your computer. Once installed, connect your iPhone to your computer with a cable and launch the iWhere iPhone Location Changer. Simply type in the location you want to change in the search bar or click any locations on the map, and you will arrive at your new location in seconds. In one-stop mode, click on the map to select the starting point and end point or type locations in the search box. You can move freely between the 2 points. In multi-stop mode, select the starting point and other locations. And you will be able to move along multiple locations. In joystick mode, you can change the movement direction through the keyboard or mouse. Except that modify location cannot set the movement speed. One-stop mode, multi-stop mode, and joystick mode can all set the speed to walking, cycling, or driving speed. It is worth noting that the number of round-trip routes is also customizable. At the same time, you can save your favorite places and switch them with one click next time. iWhere iPhone Location Changer is an easy-to-use tool that lets you change your iPhone's location quickly and easily. If you are using dating software, social software, location-sharing software, or AR game software, then the role of iWhere iPhone Location Changer is huge. With it, you can easily change the GPS location, find people nearby, catch Pokémon while lying on the sofa, and post posts to set foreign locations with one click. Of course, this is only part of its functions. If you want to explore more functions, please install it on your computer and start a wonderful journey of virtual locations. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.